Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajela o Conrad ke sangma ulay tho waka sarkar kan sa Paidbah ya ka report ha ka bayde bat ka reservation policy. Habakran bikinang tho kubor o Conrad sangma ulaong baka report ka Khia Haduh arspa kilo bat ka don kumba saw nisan hajar sla. Bat haban Pule bniak bha watang ukomaru kan sa kalano ka jingbut jongka bat kan long ka jing bakla nak benta jongi ban wanra ya ka jing penkut. Ulaban rabda ka baong ba chief secretary bat ki officer ki haban Pule man ka kantin man ka lan jong ka report bat ka de ka kam ka bakhya bawat la ka ta kila dep ban Pule ya ka bat kin sa IT ya ka Kaiphod sha ka kanhon menteri menteri rangba uloong ba tang shu IT sha ka sarkar kan sa shong perkhat bat kin sa Paidbah ka de ka kam ka bakraw bat ki Paidbah ki de hok ban tip ya kani Shu na kalyang umintri rang ba uloong baki officer kimla ban shu no wat tang shislaru ki haban Pule lot Baroh na kata kadaw ka syempor bat menta kala dep Shen en sa palat no bat ki Paidbah kintip.
As I said, it's a huge, it's 200 kgs of report. That's like 4,000 or 5,000 pages. It is, and one has to go through every single word because even a comma can change the meaning of the report or the meaning of that line. So therefore it would be wrong for us simply just to say we'll read the conclusion and that's it. It's not like that. It's not so simple. It's huge. As I said, it's a bulk. We had to send a special vehicle to get the report back because we couldn't bring it in the flight also because it was so big. So as I said, so 200 kgs of paperwork. The chief secretary and the other officials had to go through every line, every page, and it was a very, very big task. And of course they've finished it. They are going to submit it and show it to the cabinet. And of course, as soon as they give it to us, we will be making it public. There's no question of not making it public. This is a matter of great importance to the people, and the people should know what's there in the report. And we will be definitely sharing it. But as I said, you have to be realistic about the fact that that being a sensitive matter, the officials cannot just simply ignore even a single page or even a single word. They had to go through every single bit of it, and that's why it took some time. But they are ready now, so I think very soon we should be making it public. Thank you.